This is a video. Gutter ball on camera.
Elizabeth, you just messed up your serve.
I had a nice little routine going though.
Okay.
You're gonna lose.
That's a double gutter ball on camera.
Make it, Ben.
Come on, Ben. Shake what your mama gave you.
Got it.
Okay, Ben, say some inspirational words.
Veronica. At least I'm like John. I guess I'm done. Josh, get lower than me. Josh, you can do it.
Come on, Josh. Get this spared and get this strike.
Is it possible if you're getting negative points?
Yes.
Put me to like...
I'll give you the baby too. John. Oh well. I guess you're gonna die. Oh, you didn't win.
Come on, it could be rock, paper, scissors. Pick rock.
It's a bowling ball.
Oh, you lose.
Cheaper than mineral. Let's go get another try.
This was the 10th frame.
Rainbow Master.
Hey, Cubby, trust me. Use the next ball. Use the other one. Use that one.
I got my name. It's Rainbow Star.
Rainbow Master 1.
Yeah, there we go.
That's a good luck ball.
This way.